So if you look at this figure here, okay, you can see that the starting element 1 maps onto 3 in Y. Okay, the starting element 2 maps onto 5 in Y. Starting element 3 maps onto 7. Okay, starting element 4 in X maps onto 9. Okay, we say that 3, 5, 7, okay, 9 are images of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we may write that F colon 1, okay, arrow 3 will produce an image 3. Alright, or we can also write F colon 2 will produce an image that will result in 5. Okay, you can also write F colon 3, okay, where X is 3, X is the starting element, will produce an image 7 as in here. Okay, and F colon 4 would produce an image 9. Okay, so very simply, if you look at it, there's a certain relationship, and we can say that Fx, okay, will produce an image in Y where Y is equals to 2x plus 1. Can you see that? So Fx is equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, just to check. Okay, just to check, take F2. If you substitute F2, what will you get? You get 2 times 2 plus 1, which is equals to 5, which is this, isn't it? Let's try F3. Okay, F3 will be 2 times 3 plus 1, which is equals to 7, which is here. Okay, so this is the general relationship. Okay, that's the general relationship. Also, for this particular function, it's a function also because there's only one image of each starting element. Can you see 1 will produce 3, 2 will produce 5, 3 will produce 7, 4 will produce 9. Alright, now for this particular function, the starting element must be an element of X, which is here. Okay, and this is also called the domain of F. Okay, this is called the domain of F. Let me just, okay, domain of F. Alright, and this here, okay, because of lack of space, is called the codomain of F. Okay, so the domain and the codomain, okay, they are defined by Fx equals to 2x plus 1. Alright, okay, this can be represented as a mathematical statement like that. Fx equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, and you can also represent it in another form instead of this diagram. Okay, where X is the domain. Okay, so this is 4, 3, 2, and this 1. Okay, so this is your number line here. Okay, and then you've got, okay, this is this X, and this is, okay, 2x plus 1. Okay, probably a little unclear. Let me do it again. Okay, so, okay, this is 2x plus 1. Okay, if you map it, okay, you find that 4 will result in a 9. Okay, it goes upwards like that. Okay, so 3 will result in a 7 when you map it. Okay, 2 will result in a 5. 1 will result in a 3. Okay, so at the same time you also have to write all the arrows. So the domain and codomain of a function in this case is defined by 2x plus 1. Okay, and this domain and codomain are the set of all real numbers. Then all these arrows, all these arrows, which are arrow diagram maps, each element on a number line in the domain to an element on another line in the codomain. Okay, as shown here. Alright,